Okay. Hey, what's up? I'm Liza from the Liza Colby Sound, and I am here to tell you that a week from today, which is March 13th, at 10 p.m., we are going to be headlining the studio at Webster Hall. Yay! And we invite you there. I am speaking on behalf of the other three guys, too. And we also have a residency coming up in April, every single Wednesday at Bowery Electric, also at 10 p.m. Our friends that have bands are going to be opening up for us, so it's going to be lots of good music and lots of fun, and plenty of time to work off all of those winter calories from eating cold weather food in the winter. So we hope that you come and bring your friends and tell your friends, and in the meantime, check out the song that we just did, and check us out on Reverb Nation and Facebook and Twitter. The Liza Colby Sound.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, we're rolling?
Yep.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
It's
Let's
okay.
do it again.
Why? You can just keep it going.
That's okay.
How would you do it?
By the way.
Yeah.
I'm
rolling.
Right.
We're doing it.
Okay.
We're doing it.
Take
Liza.
two. What are you doing Tuesday? If you.
You don't even have to request it, and we'll do it.
If you want to.
If you want to hear it.
Just give the secret signal and we'll play it.
You have to, what's the secret word?
Play it.
Okay.
Play the one from the TV.
Okay. We'll do it.
I saw you on TV. Can you play that number? Oh, it's a lot faster here.
It's going to be louder, too. Way louder.
Slightly.
We
Louder.
did the campfire version here.
And I'm wearing pants right now. I won't be wearing pants on Tuesday.
Neither will I.
Me either. I have to. It's the chafing behind the kid.
Mongo.
For his ears? What are you, Swedish?
It's too loud for his ears.